Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Rocket League not launching on PC escape startup issue on Epic Games.
Fix 1. Restart Epic Games Launcher. Step 1. Close Epic Games Launcher completely. Step 2. Open it again as administrator. Step 3. Try launching Rocket League. Fix 2. Verify game files. Step 1. Open Epic Games Launcher. Step 2. Go to Library, click 3 dots next to Rocket League. Step 3. Click Verify and wait. Fix 3. Disable Overlay and Background Apps. Step 1. Open Epic Games Settings. Step 2. Turn off in-game overlay. Step 3. Close Discord, MSI Afterburner, OBS. Fix 4. Update graphics driver. Step 1. Open NVIDIA AMD software. Step 2. Check for latest driver update. Step 3. Restart PC after update. Fix 5. Run Rocket League as admin. Step 1. Go to Rocket League install folder. Step 2. Right-click Rocket League. X. Step 3. Select Run as administrator. Fix 6. Disable antivirus temporarily. Step 1. Open your antivirus. Step 2. Disable real-time protection. Step 3. Launch Rocket League.